What is up, YouTube? TradeModeJames here with Zone Trading Group. Today in this video, we're going to talk about what Microvision has done in the last week and in the last couple weeks and what I think it's going to do in the coming weeks. All right, before I do that, make sure you guys hit the like button on this video if you want to stroke my ego a little bit. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And if you're feeling froggy, hit that dislike button. That's okay too. Let me know how I'm doing. All right, I appreciate all the comments and love and hate. Thank you all very much. Let's get right into this video, okay? Higher time frame. We're gonna do some top-down analysis, go from the daily down to the 30-minute. The daily time frame looks great, guys. We have made a higher high, a substantial higher high. We're having some trouble getting around this area right here, around $4. That ended up getting busted through, and we actually closed with some momentum above the 200 SMA. We're waiting for a golden cross on the daily time frame. That's exactly what we're waiting for and what I'm waiting for, because I know that we haven't had one of these since I think June 2021. If I'm not mistaken, right here in this area circled on my chart. Yeah, June 1st, 2021. We had a golden cross in the daily time frame. That's the last one that we had before going up to $25 and then down to $261. Oh my God. I can't believe I can even say that. $261. That's crazy. But anyways, you guys see what happened the last time we had a golden cross in the daily time frame. We went from $14.85 up to $24.80. That was a huge run. And there's even more of a run possibility here because we've just broken out of an 8-month wedge and we've hit this demand zone down here 2 times, 3 times. And we're really just reversing now, it looks like, because, well, they already targeted all the liquidity on the bottom side of the market and the rest of the money is at the top. Everyone that's been shorting since $15, they're about to get wrecked if they don't close. That's just a fact. The hedgies take the price where the money's at, and they've already targeted almost all the money down here, so their only place left is up back here, and that's what I think they're going to be doing, and it looks like they're doing because we haven't had much volume, but we've had a lot of movement, all right? We've been closing days around 6 or 7 million in volume and not really getting there until the end of the day. So, you know, throughout the day, we have 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5 million, but we run a lot. So, you know, and also Fintel showing not very many shorts there. So that means this thing is being shorted, but it's still running to the top side. That is manipulation. And that tells me that they're starting to target the top side liquidity. This right here could have been a liquidity grab, all right? They generated orders, sell orders at this break. They generated sell orders here at this consolidation area, and they generated sell orders at the break of the 50. So they did create some liquidity on the top side and also on the bottom side with the buyers. We have a lot of buyers here, a lot of buyers here, a lot of buyers here. So, you know, they grabbed liquidity on both sides of the market. It could or could not have been that. This was when the Ukraine thing started happening. But anyways, that's neither here nor there because we're back up above this line right here, this blue line, that's the 200 SMA, and it looks just really good, guys. It really does. Let's drop to like a 30 minutes so we can see what's going on here. So basically, if we assume, I had this drawn in here with my fib tool, if we assume that we're going to get a pullback off this zone up here, like maybe tomorrow morning or, you know, just tomorrow in general, we might be pulling back at least at a bare minimum to the golden zone, which is going to be right here at this level where we have this double top right here kind of in this area. It would make sense. So if we do decide to come down 61.8%, we're going to be at about 416. If we come down to the 50% line, we're going to be at about 420. And if we come down, you know, to the trend line, well, that's going to be a pretty big retracement, but I don't think we're going to do that. I think we're going to keep laddering up, and I personally think that we're going to surge up to about $5. That's the next real level of you know, structure here on the chart. I mean, even between this zone we're at now and here, there's not much. This green line is the only level of structure there is really in between this zone and this zone. So if we, you know, break above this zone here, which is basically above 440, and we get above 458, we're likely going to be running up to this zone, which is at $5. So that's what I think is going to happen. I think we're going to surge up to $5 and likely get a pullback in this area, probably back down, you know, somewhere around 450, 460, and then, you know, just keep laddering up. That's what we want to have happen. But I think in the next week or so, we're going to see the surge to $5. It's not that far away. It's only about 68 cents away. And you see how far we can run, you know, what is this, a 30-minute golden cross? We had a golden cross here on the 30-minute. Look how much we ran. So we could easily run up to $5. That's really just right around the corner. So everything looks really good. Even the 4-hour looks good. Same situation, same story. You know, we just had the golden cross on the 4-hour, and this dip here kind of made the SMAs look a little bit weird, but the 50 is recovering, and I think it's going to continue that way. I think we're in for a nice little bull run. And we've already had one, but I think we're definitely going to be testing this 975 area in the coming months. I don't know when it's going to happen. It could be a week. It could be 6 months. I'm not sure, but I do know that we will be testing this again. Mark my words. I don't know when, but we're going to be testing this again, okay? As we start, you know, keep making higher highs on the higher time frames, and we make our way up, you know, above $5, $6, $7. this area right here is almost for certain getting tested. It just is, especially if, you know, we don't really have a retracement here on this move. So if we pull a fib, excuse me, from here to here, at a bare minimum, it looks like we're coming up to this level here around 645 to 730-ish. And that would be a golden zone off this move that had not really had a retracement yet. So, you know, it looks like the reversal is playing out, guys. It really does. And I hope it continues. That's really all I have for this video. I wanted to make a really quick update on the price action and, you know, kind of talk about the webcast a little bit here, I guess. I was very excited about the webcast, and it went so good. I didn't actually get to hear it live because my computer pooped out on me, but I did watch it the next morning on the stream. Man, they did a good job, and I'm very excited. You know, they keep talking about 2 OEM partnerships, and they keep bringing that up. And I think a very important part of that whole transcript was when Sumit Sharma said, we don't really want to drop names in this call. And to me, that sounded like, hey, we don't want to drop names in this call, kind of insinuating that maybe in a call in the future, in the near future, hopefully, they're going to be dropping some names that maybe they got a partnership with or they're looking to partner with or whatever. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about the future of the stock. I think that we've been given an absolutely incredible opportunity to average down. I know a lot of us had higher averages. I mean, I was buying this whole way, so I know a lot of you were as well. So if you have some liquidity lying around, understand that this is honestly like a gift from the stock gods, in my opinion, because this is a gold machine right here. This is just printing gold nuggets. It's going to be just printing them. I'm telling you, we just need to land those deals and get that revenue coming in. This thing's going to rocket. Go back and look what airbag companies did. They were trading at pennies. And as soon as the OEMs standardized airbags and put them in every single vehicle in the world and made it where they have to have it, you know, their revenue went through the roof. And those same airbag companies are trading at $200-300 a share now. You can go look this up yourself. I can't make this up. So imagine some technology like lidar having that same kind of pathway into the OEM vehicles. It just, I don't know. In my opinion, it has a very bright future, and I think we're definitely going to get there. But, you know, we got to be careful. You know, always use proper risk management. Don't go all in on one trade, and, you know, just be intelligent with your trades, guys. I see a lot of people just going all in on things they have no clue about just because someone made it look good on YouTube. Just be careful who you follow and what you do with your money, because that's your money. You worked hard for it. So make sure you do your DD. But I can tell you right now that if you've done any DD on this company, you shouldn't have a problem averaging down here if you have it laying around, because you're just going to be very happy in the near future when this thing hits catalyst and, you know, we get to where we think we're going to be. It just is. And 975 is not that far away. If we get above 975, look at the chart. I mean, last time we even came down here, we went from $10.21 up to $28. And you can go back in the chart and test this time and time again. This is all the way back in 2009. This is 2008, and this is 2006. So this whole area is respected for like ever. So 975 is a key level in the stock, and I think that if we get above it, you're going to see this thing run very, very far and make a new ATH. That's what I think. So that's all I have for today, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. If you guys want to join the trading group, send me an email at zonetradinggroup@gmail.com, and we'll get you in there, all right? Peace and love from my end. TradeModeJames signing out. Peace.